Tired of transaction hassles? Linking your local bank account to PayPal is the key to smooth online payments and effortless money transfers. First things first, head over to PayPal's website or open the app and log into your account using your email address and password. Once you're logged in, look for the Wallet tab, usually located at the top of the screen or within the menu. Click on it to access your payment methods. On the Wallet page, you'll find the option to link a bank account. Click on that button to start the linking process. Now, you have two options. You can either search for your bank using the search bar or manually enter your bank's routing number and your account number. If you choose the manual option, make sure you have those numbers handy. They are usually found at the bottom of your checks or on your bank's website. After entering your bank details, PayPal will send to small deposits to your bank account. This usually takes 1 to 3 business days. Keep an eye on your bank statement. Once you see those deposits, log back into your PayPal account and go back to the wallet section. You'll see a notification asking you to confirm your bank account. Enter the exact amounts of the 2 small deposits to verify your account. And that's it. Once you've confirmed the deposits, your bank account will be linked to your PayPal account. You'll see it listed under your payment methods with a confirmed status. Now you can enjoy seamless transactions, effortlessly send and receive money, and shop online with ease using your linked bank account.